Hey guys, this is Janelle McClarty from Encore Websites, and I'm going to be showing you a quick tutorial on how to log into your WordPress dashboard. So let's get started. So first of all, there's going to be a bunch of different URLs that you're going to need to sign into your WordPress dashboard. The most popular one is similar to this one. So you're going to have your website.com/wp-login.php. So there's so many different domains that you can use to log in to your WordPress, but I'll show you the most common ones, and I'll make a list just in case the common ones don't work for you. But there are probably around like 10 different examples. This one is the most common. So basically www.yourwebsite.com or .ca, then /WordPress wp-admin /. So WP is short for WordPress. So we're going to do this on a test site. So this is one of my client sites. So there you go. We're going to use /wp-admin. In some cases, if this isn't your domain extension to log into your WordPress account, it's going to automatically change it for you. So let's see if this one works. So it does work. If you see a login like this, that means it works. And do you see here how it changed it for me? So wp-login.php, that's another one that's on this list. So that's right here. So I'll be providing you with this list in the description box of this video. So here's the next step. So you're gonna have to log in. So if you created this account, you should have your login saved already. If you didn't create this account and your web designer or developer did, just ask them for your login and put the details in. You press login and this is what you should see. You should see the dashboard. So once you see the dashboard, that means you're all logged in and you're good to go. So I hope this video helped you out a lot. I will, as I said, be providing you with all of these links below for just in case if this extension doesn't work. I'll provide you with all the extensions in the description box. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Like the video, share it with your friends or people who you think may need this. And yeah, definitely subscribe for more tips. I'm going to be doing videos on different aspects of WordPress. So yeah, thank you very much and enjoy the rest of your day. Thanks for watching.